This is Aunt Shacey's History Shorts, and today we're going to take a quick look at Florence Nightingale. Florence was born in 1820 and named after the city she was born in. She was a gifted child and at the age of 17 told her parents she had been called on by God to his service. By 1844, she had decided that nursing was her true calling, visiting hospitals in Paris, Rome, and London. She worked to make hospitals more efficient, and when a portrait of Florence carrying a lamp and working with patients appeared in the press, she quickly gained popularity. Florence is credited as the founder of modern nursing and died in London in 1910 at the age of 90.